On a mission to get the darling some bagels. Shoop-a-doo-doo-doo. Shoo-ba-doo-doo. What is going on, everyone, and welcome back to another WaterHopin episode. Before we get into today's video, if you could please do me a favor, and yourselves actually, right now we still have a giveaway running. That giveaway is going to be running till we hit 500 subscribers on the channel. So if you guys are watching this video before the ticking number that's right below this video hits 500, go ahead and do yourselves a favor. Go back to my previous upload. I'll probably leave a card like right around here, something like that, giving you guys a quick link to it. Hit the like button, drop a comment below, and subscribe to the channel. You guys will be entered to win the giveaway, which is a bait caster and some really cool tackle. We're gonna have 2 winners that we give away, so pretty cool stuff there. Anyways, what is today's video all about? Well, we're kicking off the camera a little bit before the adventure begins, but this morning, right now, I'm on a mission. Gotta go to Panera and pick up some bagel action for the fam, and then after that, we're gonna chow down, and then I'm doing a little bit midday shore fishing today. I still don't know where I'm gonna go, but first, it's bagel time. Stay tuned, folks. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'm sure today's gonna be a juicy one. Yeah, that's all I got for you now. Peace. Got the goods.
Ready, guys?
Yep, a little too late there, cause gates closed. All right, just got grubbed up, guys, back in the Tacoma, and we are headed fishing. I literally, just as I got into the truck, decided where I'm going, and you know, I actually don't even know if it's open or not with all these closures going on. But yep, you know, I wonder if it would have said online. It probably says online, and I just drove past it, and I could see before I got to the entrance that it was closed. You could see the cones and the rope. So, spot number 1, goose egg, it's closed, and it's kind of unfortunate. There's definitely a lot of good fish in there. So we're audibling. I just plugged something into my GPS, and I'm not even sure I'm going to stick to it yet. I just know I'm going to go this way. It's a park, not a spectacular lake, but there's definitely some fish in here. Actually, it's funny, first time I ever tried fishing here, I caught like a 3-pounder on a chatterbait, like immediately. So let's do it, folks. All right, guys, so just got rigged up, got the rods obviously right there, and a backpack, face mask for COVID, just being nice. Basically, it's not mandatory here, but wearing the face mask, and probably not gonna have the Canon set up the whole time, just trying to be a little more inconspicuous. I actually think I'm gonna put the tripod and the Canon in the backpack, and we'll pull it out if we catch a good one. We're gonna GoPro chesty. Apologies, I know the Canon's a lot better. Just try not to bring a spotlight on myself, trying to just get some fishing done and see if we can catch them. So we'll have the Canon with us in case we catch them, but till then, I'll GoPro from here on out. So we're gonna do that swap right now. Favorite moving baits to throw. In fact, I can just confidently say a chatterbait is my favorite moving bait to throw. So I haven't caught a fish yet this year in a chatterbait, but it's always been a winner for me in the spring. Usually it's one of the first lures that catches fish for me each year. I've only caught a handful of bass so far this year. I haven't been out much, so it'd be good to get on a couple here today. I said, heck yeah. Hell no. No, I'm actually probably gonna. No, I don't know him. I don't know him.
Yeah, somebody's calling saying that there were a couple guys on the golf course side, and they're not.
Yeah, there's 2 guys over there. I'm actually clearing out of here probably. It's not the best today. Right. Right. I got a smaller pond in mind. Less people too, so.
Alright, enjoy your day, enjoy the weekend.
Yeah, have a good one. just got to figure out where to park. Well, we basically just drove to Wisconsin to go fishing. We found a brand new lake right on the border. Gotta say though, one of my viewers told me about this lake. One of my videos about the clear water fishery that I found. He knew where I was at, and he commented about this place being only hop, skip, and a jump away from that place. Super windy. I really just wanted to see it today and basically figure out if it's worth its not to come back here and do a full day of fishing on another occasion where we might drop the yak in. So that's pretty much what we're doing. A little recon today, and just see if we can catch a bass in a new lake. Super windy, so it's going to be kind of tough, but I think we can do it. This place is cool. Why not? We'll start in the cove. Don't know if this is really the money, but wow. Well, the water looks good. Sorry for the audio quality. It's gonna be pretty bad. Not much I can do about it. There's gotta be some big uns in here, boy. There has got to be some big uns. Right, winds are just freaking crazy. New trailer on. Back here. Let's walk a bit, see a little bit more of this lake, because there's a chance I could be coming back here in these next couple of days off the kayak in the morning. The only thing holding me back is if those winds will stay low. If the winds are low, we go. Fuck yeah. Choke that shatter. Man, it's crazy windy out here. Beautiful fish. Yeah, super windy. Taking the mask off just because it's filming around real quick, and I wanted to talk to you guys about how we caught that fish. Obviously, GoPro was running when we caught the fish, but oh my goodness, how's that? Is that better? Chase, little waste. GoPro was running when we caught the fish, so obviously win-win there. We caught the fish on camera and all that, but somehow it quit on me right pretty much when I caught it, and then when I turned the Canon on, no audio. Long story short, I got some brackish water in front of me right here where this two portions of this new lake I'm at come down to a pinch. So I was all the way, I'm parked all the way over there. Been fishing for like 2 hours here almost, maybe an hour and a half, and I was looking at this bridge, and this bridge really skinnies down these two sections of the lakes. So I came over here, tried on this side because I figured wind-blown bank, nothing doing. Came over here, there's this brackish water that's getting pushed through here, funneling out, and I've done really well where brackish water meets clear water on a chatterbait, so I've just been hammering that for the last like 20 minutes. Paid off, folks. Video made. We're gonna keep fishing for about another hour, and yeah, wind's not gonna get any better, so we'll keep keep doing what we're doing. GoPro, chatterbait. I'm probably not going to pick anything else up now and just see if we can get one more before we get out of here in like an hour. So hit that like button, folks. New lake, and a subscriber actually told me about this lake, so we're probably going to kayak fish it at some point here soon. I'm getting out kayak fishing this lake soon. I know that much. I don't even know if you guys can hear me. It's probably like... Anyways, guys, subscribe to the channel for some water hopping, and let's go catch another. Woo! Yes! Oh my goodness! Oh, I'm driving the wrong way. Alrighty. Driving the wrong way. That's a good start. Hopefully we're going back to work soon, but we're gonna make the use of it in the meantime. And as always, guys, I appreciate you guys for watching. Many more water hopping episodes coming up, and we're starting to finally figure out some spots. So stay tuned, folks. We're probably going to be catching some big ones in the future. At least I was able to give you guys a good 2-pounder or so today. And yeah, as always, guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel. Be safe with this COVID stuff going on, and keep water hopping. And I'll see you soon. We didn't even touch it.